Hope you practiced yesterday log shipping. Let me know, please. Is it done or still yet to do? Let me know, please. And continue. Let's understand here. The concept of database mirroring. Let's see. Simple process. Database mirroring is a mechanism where complete database will be mirrored. Mirror means duplicated. Complete database will be duplicated from one server to another server. Here the source is called principal. Okay, the source is called principal. Destination is called mirror. Source is called principal.